Okay, this is my presentation. My name is Claudia Putradiska. My number student is 200501112. And I want to presentation about parts of an airplane and the functions. 1. Aileron. It's on the wing. It's the field of control when planes do roll, was moving on the longitudinal axis, an axis that extends from nose to tail. Aileron controlled from the cockpit using stick control. Aileron stability is to steady the aircraft in a lateral direction. Aileron's movement alternates between the left and right, flexing up or down. And this is the picture of aileron. Number 2, elevator. As the field of control when the airplane does pitch up or down, move on the lateral axis, an axis running along the wing. Elevators controlled from the cockpit using a stick control. The kind of stability aileron provides is the stabilizer of the plane and the longitudinal direction. Simultaneous elevator movement between left and right, and escalation rate up or down. And this is the picture of elevator. This is elevator. Yeah, this 2, 1 and 2. This is elevator. This is elevator picture. Okay, next, rudder was the area of control during operation of yaw. Move on the vertical axis. The vertical axis extends upright toward the center of gravity from aircraft. Rudder controlled from the cockpit using rudder pedals. The type of stability ailerons provide is to stabilize the aircraft in a directional direction. Rudder is constructing movement to the left or right. And this is a picture of rudder. Yeah, this one is rudder. This one is rudder. This is vertical stabilizer. And this is butt of rudder. This is 2 rudder in the empennage. Okay, next, fuselage. Fuselage is a cabin and or cockpit which seats passengers and aircraft controllers. In addition, it can also be made up of cargo chambers and connecting points for other aircraft's primary components. Some aircraft use the structure of the open truss. Fuselage with an open truss is made up of steel or aluminum tubes. Strength and density are found in welding together of the tubes that make up the triangle called trusses. And this is the picture of aircraft fuselage. Next, wings. The wing is foils connected to each side of the fuselage and is the surface lifting the aircraft in the air. There is a variety of wing size and shape designs used by aircraft manufacturers. Each wing design meets the need of the performance expected for a specific aircraft design. How wings can create lift. Wings can be placed in the top, middle, or bottom position of the fuselage. This design is called high, mid, and low wing. The number of wings also varies. The airplane with one set of wings is called monoplane, whereas the plane with 2 sets of wings is called a biplane. And this is the picture of wings. Next, empennage, the correct name for the tail empennage. It consists of all tails including fixed surfaces like vertical stabilizers and horizontal stabilizers. Various moving surfaces include rudder, elevators, and one or more TAB trim. And this is the picture of elevator. This is the picture of. Okay, next, landing gear. A landing gear is a main support for a parking lot, taxi, takeoff, or landing. The most common type of landing gear consists of wheels, but planes can also float on water or sky. For landing in snow, landing gear consists of 3 wheels, 2 main wheels, and a third wheel which is in front of behind the plane. And this is the picture of landing gear. Yeah, this is like two landing gears and two others landing gears. Yeah, I hope you understand what I mean. Okay, next, power plant. Power plants usually include machines and propellers. The main function of the engine is to provide the power to spin the propeller. The machine also produces electric power, the vacuum source for several instruments of the airplane, and on most single-engine vessels, providing heating for the airliner and passengers. And this is the picture of power plant. Yeah, this is like machine, And next, shock strut or silencer. Like a plane car needs a shock absorber on the wheel. This dampener works at landing, also stabilizes the plane on rolling during takeoff. As in the silencer, there is a telescope-shaped gas or oil or spring or combination of both. The ship brake or brake runs on like Noah's car is subject to placement. The aircraft brake forges mean generally separated from the left and the right. And this is the picture. Yeah, I think like this. Okay, next. Nose, which houses the cockpit's most prominent control chamber. The cockpit was a cockpit with an aircraft control panel. And this is nose of the airplane. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation, miss. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like it. I think many faults in my video, but I will try it to be better. The presentation about this task. This is task 3 about parts of an airplane and the functions. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.